6 steps to fall asleep in 2 minutes. The military method. The United States Navy pre-flight school created a routine to help pilots fall asleep in 2 minutes or less. It took pilots about 6 weeks of practice. 1. Relax your entire face. Close your eyes, breathe slowly and deeply. Then slowly relax all of your face muscles. Relax your jaw, your cheeks, your mouth, your tongue, everything. Including your eyes, let them go. To drop your shoulders and hands. Let go of any tension. Relax your neck, your traps. Feel yourself sinking into the chair or bed. Then start at the top of your right arm. And slowly relax your biceps, forearms, and hands. Repeat on the other side, and don't forget to keep breathing slowly and deeply. 3. Exhale and relax your chest. With your shoulders and arms relaxed, that should be easy. 4. Relax your legs. Start with your right thigh. Let it sink into the chair or bed. Then do the same with your calf, ankle, and foot. Repeat the process with your left leg. 5. Now clear your mind. Granted, it's hard to not think about anything. I end up thinking about not thinking about anything, if that's you. Try holding an image in your mind. Choose something relaxing. Picture yourself lying comfortably in darkness, but if that doesn't work. 6. Try repeating the words "don't think" for 10 seconds. If nothing else, that should help distract you from thinking about whatever it is that might otherwise keep you awake.